In this class, we are going to take interest on loan from partners. Sometimes a partner may provide loan or advance to the firm. The partner's loan or advance account is to be separately, we have to maintain the book. And then Partnership Act 1932, Section 13D, interest. So if there is no such an agreement we have to entitled to an interest is 6% per annum. And then otherwise, if they are any agreement, so they have to maintain the interest at the rate of interest is maintained. For providing interest on partner's loan account. Partner's loan. What is the journal entry is interest on partner's loan account data to partner's loan account. Interest on partner's loan being an expenses to the firm is debited in the books firm, in the firm's book. Interest on loan, whether there is profit or loss. Profit இருந்தாலும் ஆர்கனைசேஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ப்ராஃபிட்டா இருந்தாலும் லாஸா இருந்தாலும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் லோன் தான் அவங்க பே பண்ணியே ஆகணும். ஸோ பார்ட்னர் interest on loan is due to the partner and it is generally added to the loan amount due and hence partner's loan account is credited. So whether there is profit or loss for the firm, this interest is to be definitely provided to the partners. So interest on partner's loan transferred to the profit and loss account. Next one, division of profit among partners. Division of profit among partners. The net profit as per the profit and loss account of a firm is subject to the adjustment. What is the adjustment means? Interest on capital and interest on drawings. So these adjustments are made by the preparation of a profit and loss appropriation account. So first we have to maintain the journal entry profit and loss appropriation account to partners capital account or current account. If there is any loss, profit or the profit and loss appropriation account data to partners capital or current account போடலாம். But if there is any loss in the organization, the reverse entry is made. What entry is? It is partners capital account to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, this is the journal entry. And then profit and loss appropriation account. What is the format of profit and loss appropriation account is? This is the format. Interest on profit and loss appropriation account. What is the particulars means? Interest on partners capital account to partners salary account to partners commission account to partners capital or current account. If it is profit, you have to mention this side. Okay, debit side. And then for particulars column in the credit side, by profit and loss account, by interest on partners drawings account. Amount of profit transferred from profit and loss account. So next we have to move exercise question. Question number 21. Anand and Narayanan are partners. So sharing profit ratio, profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. On 1st January 2018, their capital were 50,000. So Anand capital is 50,000 and Narayanan capital is 30,000. The partnership deed specifies the followings. Okay. Okay, interest on capital. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. profit and loss appropriation account. So debit side, the credit side. First one, to interest on capital. To interest on capital. To on capital. On the capital is 50,000 rupees. On the capital is 50,000 rupees. 50,000 into what is the interest on capital? It is a 6%. So 6 divided by 100. 5 6 are 30. So on and interest on capital is 3,000 rupees. And then Narayanan, what is the capital amount is 30,000. 30,000 into 6%. 1,800. So totally interest on capital is 4,800. And then by profit and loss account, by P&L account. Profit and loss account is equal to 35,000. So 35,000. By interest on drawings. What is interest on drawings? To on and evlo interest abdina. ₹1,000. On and the interest on the 1,000. And then Narayanan 800 rupees. Totally the amount is 36,800 rupees. 36,800. You have to balancing the amount. 36,800. So 4,800 less panna balance amount evlo irukuna 32,000. In the 32,000 ஆனந்துக்கு நாராயணனுக்கு profit அந்த profitல இருந்து நம்ம ஷேர் பண்ணி ஈக்குவல் என்ன ஷேர்ல பிரிச்சு கொடுக்கறோம்னா 5:3 அப்படிங்கற ரேஷியோல நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணி கொடுக்க போறோம். அப்ப 5:3 means $32,000. 5:3 na 5 divided by 8. 1 8s are 8, 4 8s are 32. So 4 5s are 20. 20,000. And then Narayanan 32,000. 32,000 now 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12,000 rupees. So totally 32,000. Okay, this is the profit sharing ratio is Anand and Narayanan. Okay, next one, another question is 22. Second 22 question. Dinesh and Sukumar entered into a partnership agreement on 1st January 2018, Dinesh contributing 1,50,000 and Sukumar capital is 1,20,000 is capital. The agreement provided. What is the agreement provided? Its first agreement is profit and losses to be shared in the ratio is 2:1. Partners to be entitled at interest on capital is 4%. Interest on drawings to be charged. Dinesh is 3,600 rupees and Sukumar is 2,200 rupees. Dinesh to receive a salary 60,000 for the year and then Sukumar to receive a commission of 80,000. So profit and loss appropriation account. $21 you assume the you enter the journal entry. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account எப்படி போடணும்ங்கற journal entries நீங்க போட்டு பாருங்க. And then credit side to interest on capital. For Dinesh, to interest on capital is 4%. What is the capital amount is? For Dinesh is 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 la 4% எவ்வளோன்னு find out பண்ணு. Into 4 divided by 100. So Dinesh is 6,000 rupees. And then Sukumar capital is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 4 divided by 100. What is the amount? Sukumar interest on capital is 4,800 rupees. To Dinesh salary. Dinesh salary. Dinesh salary is 60,000 rupees. To Sukumar commission 80,000. By interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to how much? 3,000. Dinesh is 3,600 and Sukumar is 2,200. By profit and loss account, by P&L account is 2,20,000. Total amount is 2,25,800. To share of profit, what is the balancing amount? To share of profit is in the profit sharing ratio is 2:1. So remaining amount is 2,25,800 ல இந்த amount add பண்ணிட்டு இத less பண்ணோம்னா 75,000 வருது. 75,000 What is the profit sharing ratio is 2:1. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 25,000. 25,000 into 2 is equal to 50,000. This is the Dinesh sharing ratio. And then Sukumar ratio is 1:1 equal share. So 2:1 ratio. So Sukumar ratio is 25,000. So 50,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 75,000. And then another sum. 23rd question. The illustration sum, it's a similar with the illustration sum, okay? Anthony and Ranjit started a business on 1st April 2018 with capital of 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. So Anthony capital is 4 lakhs and then Ranjit capital is 3 lakhs. According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get salary of 90,000 per annum. Ranjit is to get 25% of commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and the interest on capital 5% per annum. But before charging such commission, profit sharing ratio between the two partners 1:1. During the year, the firm earned a profit earned a profit of rupees 3 lakhs 65,000. P&L account. P&L appropriation account. Debtor, creditor, to Anthony's salary. First transaction is to Anthony's salary. Anthony's salary is 90,000 rupees. Anthony's salary is 90,000. To interest on capital. To interest on capital for Anthony is 20,000. So interest on capital, first we have to what is the capital amount? Capital amount is 3 lakhs. Anand, Anthony is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into what is the percentage? Interest on capital is 5% into 5. So 20,000. And then Ranjit capital is 3 lakhs into 5 divided by 100. So 3 5s are 15,000. So Ranjit interest is 15,000. Total profit is 3,65,000. Ranjit commission எப்படி find out பண்றதுன்னு பாருங்க. 3 lakh total profit is 3,65,000. இதுல நம்ம எதை லெஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா 1,25,000 லெஸ் பண்றோம். ஏன்னா ஆண்டனியோட salary கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் interest on capital இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவனுக்கு வந்து கமிஷன் கொடுக்க போறோம். So you have to add this 1,25,000 முதல்ல ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். 1,25,000 வருது. You have to subtract this. What is the balancing amount is 2,40,000. இதுதான் நம்மளுடைய ப்ராஃபிட் இருக்கு. இந்த ப்ராஃபிட்ல இவ்வளவுதான் ப்ராஃபிட் இருக்கு. இந்த ப்ராஃபிட்ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? சோ salary கொடுத்துட்டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆயும் கொடுத்துட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் பேலன்சிங் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னா 2,40,000 rupees இருக்கு. இந்த அமௌண்ட்ல we have to calculate for the commission. So net profit after commission. So what is the formula we have to use? 2,40,000. What is the percentage of percentage? 2,40,000. This is a net profit after commission. Net profit after commission. And then percentage of commission is 25%. So 25 divided net profit after commission 100 plus percentage of commission. So 100 plus 25 is equal to 125. 5. Four fives are 20. 8 fives are so 48,000. Ranjit commission is 48,000. Ranjit commission is 48,000. Ranjit commission 48,000. By profit and loss account, by P&L account, how much? 3,65,000. 3,65,000. So balancing amount is 1,92,000. This is the balancing amount to share profit. இதெல்லாம் subtract பண்ணது போக மீதி இருக்கிறது என்ன இருக்குன்னா 1,92,000. It's a profit. So what is the profit sharing ratio? So profit sharing ratio is 1:1, equal sharing ratio. One is to 1 means 1 divided by 2. 1,92,000. 1,92,000 into 1 divided by 2. So 96,000. We have to sharing the profit is equally. ஈக்குவலா உங்களுக்கு நம்ம டிவைட் பண்றோம். Antony's profit is 96,000 and Ranjit Antony's capital is 96,000 and then Ranjit is 96,000 to share of profit. and the profit அவங்களோட capital accountல நம்ம share பண்ணி கொடுக்கிறோம். 96,000 and 96,000. Okay, this unit is over. Thank you students.